Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best camping cots is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your next camping trip, because a comfortable and supportive cot can make all the difference between a restful night's sleep under the stars and a night of tossing and turning, leaving you feeling exhausted and ruining your whole camping experience. So, whether you're a seasoned camper or a first-timer, finding the right cot is essential for a truly enjoyable outdoor adventure. In this video, we will review the top camping cots with mattresses to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Slsy Folding Cot. It's great for camping, traveling, or even as a comfy extra bed at home. You can use it almost anywhere. Setting it up is a snap, it opens in seconds. Lightweight and folds away easily for storage. Its foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, perfect for saving space. Take it anywhere. It comes with a soft, removable mattress for added comfort and warmth. You can easily remove it for cleaning. It's built to last with a strong steel frame and durable Oxford cloth. It can support up to 900 pounds. Get superior comfort and durability at an affordable price. It's the perfect addition to your outdoor gear. What we like. It's incredibly sturdy, supporting up to 900 pounds. Setting it up takes only seconds. If you need a robust and convenient cot for various uses, this is the one for you. What people say. Very sturdy, easy to set up, and the padding is thick enough to be comfortable. Went on a 8-day camping trip. This product functionality was flawless, amazingly comfortable, sturdy, lightweight, easy to set up and break down. I'm 6 foot and 225 pounds. These cots are easy to use, very comfortable and great for plus size and tall people. We laid on them for a long period of time to test them. Number 4. ATORPOK Camping Cot. Introducing the ATORPOK Camping Cot, your ultimate companion for comfortable outdoor adventures. It's designed for easy setup and portability, ensuring a restful night's sleep wherever you are. Enjoy customized comfort with its removable cushion. Keep it on for extra softness or remove it for better airflow on warmer nights. This cot folds up neatly into its own carry bag, making it incredibly easy to transport to your campsite or any outdoor location. It's perfect for camping, festivals, or even just relaxing in the backyard. It boasts a heavy-duty steel frame with an X-shaped structure for exceptional stability and support, holding up to 450 pounds. You can rest easy knowing it's built to withstand the elements and your weight. Made from strong, double-layer 600D polyester, it's water-resistant, easy to clean, and incredibly durable. Say goodbye to sore backs and hello to comfortable relaxation. With a large side pocket, you can keep your essentials like your phone, water bottle, and other small items close at hand. Everything you need is right there, within easy reach. What we like. The removable cushion offers extra comfort or breathability. It's lightweight and folds easily into a carry bag. If you prioritize comfort and portability for your outdoor adventures, this cot is ideal. What people say. Surprised how comfortable it is, doesn't make a noise, great features for portability and organization. The accompanying pad secures at the corners and feels comfortable enough. These cots fold up to easily fit in a storage closet or slide under a bed. They are surprisingly comfortable and simple to set up take down. They're generous in length and width, allowing most average-sized folks an ample sleeping surface. They feel sturdy. Number 3. Slendor Folding Cot. This cot is perfect for camping, or even just relaxing at home. It's easy to set up and folds away compactly for storage. It's built with durable, reinforced materials to support up to 500 pounds. You'll feel safe and secure all night long. The double-layer Oxford cloth is water-resistant and easy to clean. The included mattress adds extra comfort. It sets up in seconds and folds down just as quickly. The included carry bag makes it easy to transport. Use it camping, at the beach, in the backyard, or even as a guest bed. It's great for indoor or outdoor use. We stand behind our product with a 2-year warranty and 24-hour customer support. Contact us with any questions or concerns. What we like. This cot boasts an impressive 800 pounds weight capacity and sets up in seconds. It also includes a comfy mattress. If you're a larger individual needing a sturdy and convenient cot, this is a great option. What people say. It was extremely easy to set up, it's very comfortable and super sturdy, holds my 200 pounds plus my 100-pound dog too and folds up quickly for easy storage in the bag. The cot comes with a soft and supportive mattress, making it incredibly comfortable for a restful night's sleep. Its extra width ensures plenty of space to move around, which is especially great for larger individuals. The build quality is impressive, with a heavy-duty design that includes 10 sturdy legs and thickened oblate square tubes, offering remarkable stability and a max load capacity of 800 pounds. Setting it up is super easy, took me less than 5 minutes from begging to end. I have a comfortable and sturdy bed ready for a good night's sleep. Number 2. Camping Cot with Mattress. This innovative cot is perfect for any adventure. It includes a comfortable mattress and a convenient carry bag for easy transport. Setting it up is a breeze. It unfolds in seconds and folds just as quickly, saving you time and space. It's built to last with a strong steel frame that supports up to 500 pounds. The soft mattress ensures a comfortable rest. Whether you're camping, at the office, or simply need a comfortable nap at home, it's the perfect solution. The mattress can even be used as a standalone sleeping pad. The included carry bag makes it easy to transport and store. It's compact and lightweight, ideal for travel. The mattress arrives vacuum-packed, allow a few hours for it to fully fluff up. Enjoy your comfortable and convenient rest. What we like. It's ready to use in seconds and offers great stability and comfort. It's also suitable for various locations. If you value convenience and versatility, this cot is perfect for you. What people say. It is about 20 inches off the ground, so the ants and other bugs in a tent can't really get into your bedding without a lot of work. It is extremely comfortable, even without the enclosed mattresses. There are no bars digging into your back and you are on a smooth surface. This camping cot did not need any setup or assembly. I pulled it out of its bag and undid the strap and it folded out pretty easily. When it was time to put it back in the bag, it folded up with just one motion, and I was able to secure the strap around the top and put it back in the bag easily. Number 1. Sportneer Camping Cot. This cot is perfect for camping, travel, or guests. It's comfortable and easy to set up and take down. It features a comfortable mattress for a great night's sleep. The breathable design keeps you cool in warmer weather. 2 large pockets keep your essentials close at hand. Store your phone, book, or anything else you need within easy reach. This cot unfolds in seconds and folds away just as quickly. No complicated assembly required. It's made from durable, water-resistant Oxford cloth and can hold up to 450 pounds. Take it on all your adventures. Use it at home for guests, at the campsite, on the beach, or even in the office. Enjoy better sleep wherever you go. What we like. It features a comfortable mattress and handy side pockets. Setup and takedown are incredibly fast. If you want a comfortable and convenient cot for camping or guests, this is a great choice. What people say. The overall build quality is exceptional, meriting a solid 5-star rating for sturdiness. It holds up well under weight and doesn't creak or shake, providing a stable sleeping platform whether you're at a campsite or hosting guests at home. The comfort level of this cot is commendable. While the padding is somewhat thin, it does provide a noticeable improvement over cots without any padding at all. The slight cushioning helps soften the sleeping surface, ensuring a decent night's sleep. One of the standout features of this cot is how effortlessly it combines durability with comfort. It's easy to set up and take down, making it an excellent choice for both occasional and frequent use. The frame is robust, promising longevity and resistance to wear and tear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.